Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's product reviews. I'm going to unpackage and review two chakra bracelets. One of them is a diffuser bracelet where you can put essential oils on. So I'm going to unpackage them with you. Now I cut the top for video time's sake. Okay, it comes in this package and then in a clear package. Okay. And so it's by, now if I pronounce this right, Pathart. Okay, you can find this product on Amazon, and this is the shop on Amazon. Okay, so don't forget when you're done watching this video to look below in the description box and click the link to this store on Amazon. And I'll have the link for this product. It'll take you directly there. So here's one. And here's another. And then it comes with a card. Now I'm going to have to put my glasses on because I can't read without it. So, oh, okay. It's a little, so you can hang it. Okay, so it comes with a little card, and it'll say, for you, have a nice day. And then I got this. It's a jewelry maintenance card. Okay, and it tells you to contact us. So jewelry maintenance, it tells you where to keep it, how to wear it, and where to store it. Okay. So I'm going to put all this aside, and it comes in a nice velvet drawstring bag. Let's get to the first product. Now I have some right here. So, okay, I'm just going to cut the top. I don't think I cut it enough, so I'm just going to cut the top. But it has that pouch for you that it came in to keep there. So it has that pouch that these were in to keep them in. So you just discard these. Okay. So here it is. It's chakra bracelet diffuser. And I'm going to read a little bit about it to you. And you see these, you just pull them apart. So you just pull it like that to get it on your wrist. And then it's a drawstring. So then you pull them together to tighten. Oh, and look, they have nice, like, shiny, see that? Rhinestone type elements in it. And look. So I'm going to give it a better look later, but right now I just wanted to do that because then I'm going to read about it to you. So at first glance, it's very nice. It's made with good quality. It looks strong. It doesn't look like it's going to break and beads will fly all over. So it's a chakra diffuser bracelet. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the other one. And again, you could discard the plastic packaging because it comes in this nice velvet pouch. It's a drawstring. So when you're not wearing them, that's where you should keep them. So this is the chakra one. See the colors of the chakra? They're real crystals. So let's put this one on the same way. I'm going to wear them together, or you can just wear one on one arm, one on the other. And it opens the same way, and then you pull the string, and I like that I can adjust it because I have a small wrist. So here you go, and then these hang down. Look. I'm already decorated for Halloween, as you can tell. As you can tell. So yeah, very pretty. And I'm going to give you a closer look. So let me read a little bit about it to you. But before I do, I want to look at it. It is, again, they're both very well made, and they're very sturdy and thick drawstring. And I really like the quality of them, and I think they're very pretty. But let's go and read about it. Okay, so you're going to go to the Parfait store on Amazon, and it's a two-piece, a 6-piece chakra bracelet. It's for women and men. 7 chakra cross healing, and that's this one as the cross. Crystal stone and essential diffuser bracelet. 8mm beads, yoga meditation beaded bracelet. Okay, for men, women, and girls. You can give it as a gift, or you can get it for yourself. So they also have other bracelets to choose from. When you click on the link to go directly to these items, they come together, by the way, as a set, not separately. So you get 2 bracelets. Some even come with 3. So when you get there, you can look and you can see what else you might be interested in if you didn't want these particular ones. But okay, so I'm going to read it to you. Okay. Lava chakra bracelet. It's a chakra bracelet, black cross. It helps you balance your chakras and restores your vitality, your natural, and the natural volcanic stone made of no metal, lightweight, and it's skin friendly. Then you get the meditation and yoga healing beaded bracelet. And that's this one right here. Again, it will make you no longer anxious. You won't have anxiety. It keeps you calm and provides you with the energy and vitality during yoga or meditation. So these are both very good. The essential oil one, it's the diffuser bracelet. You can drip essential oils on the bead of the bracelet so you can feel the scent of the essential oils throughout the day, and it'll help you maintain balance and heal you, especially if you're very anxious and have a lot of anxiety or stress. And you can wear this whether you're at work or whether you're just walking around outside or in the house. You can have this to keep you calm. So it's a perfect gift whether you want to purchase it for a friend or for yourself. They have an inner length of the stretch crystal bracelet, okay, and it really is a very nice one, and they're very nice. So now to the chakra. This bracelet has 7 chakra beads that can effectively protect you, relieve stress, and maintain balance. And again, it's suitable for meditation, and you could use it as a friendship bracelet. So if you want to know what the crystals are that are in this, okay, we have amethyst, we have solidite, amethyst, solidite, blue howlite turquoise. So the amethyst is for your crown chakra. The solidite is for your third eye chakra. The blue howlite turquoise is for your throat. Then you have the green chakra, green jade. It's for your heart chakra. Then you're going to have the tiger, yellow tiger eye. It's for your solar plexus chakra. Then you have the yellow aventurine, it's for your sacral chakra, and then the red agate for root chakra. So when you go to this site, it will have that list right there if you're not sure. And I'm going to read about each one. So your root chakra, which is the red agate one, the one over there, you will no longer lack fear, you will no longer lack. You will no longer feel that emptiness. but you will rekindle the passion of life, harvest spiritual satisfaction. Now your sacral chakra, which is the yellow aventurine, you will no longer be, it's for sensitive and suspicious. You will no longer be sensitive and suspicious and angry and frustrated, but you can open the heart and enhance social skills. The solar plexus chakra, which is your tiger eye right here, you will no longer feel powerless, lost, or lack of self-confidence, but can gain self-confidence. It enhances courage, and that's what that one does, okay? And then your heart chakra, which is the green jaded one. You feel trapped in intimate relationships, but you can gain the ability to love and be loved. Howlet is your throat chakra. You can no longer feel afraid of expression, but you can smoothly express yourself and have good communications skills. So now it's your third eye chakra. It's the solidite. It's this one right here. And that one, you will no longer feel self-absorbed. You will no longer be denying yourself, and you will no longer feel stressful and no longer feel trapped in past thoughts and feelings. It's to improve oneself. And then you have the seventh one, which is your crown chakra, which is the amethyst, the one right here, okay? And you will no longer lack enthusiasm for life, but you can inspire self-wisdom, remove your worries, and avoid the mediocrity. You can avoid anxiety and stress and anxious feelings. What it's all about with these. And like I said, this one is the diffuser bracelet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera so you can get a better look. Okay, so this is a picture of the bracelets on my arm, and this is on my husband's arm. And again, my arm, I have a smaller wrist, and my husband has a larger wrist, so you could see that it's versatile. You could wear it, men, woman. And this is the back of my arm, showing you how it's adjustable. And this is my arm again, showing you how you can make it fit nice and snug or loose. And my husband has it on again. So you see, you can adjust it to any size arm, and it's very easy. Really check out the Pathart store, and that's on Amazon. Again, the link will be below this video in the description box. I'm really happy I got these. I'm going to see how well they work. And I do meditation, and I get stressful. These are also for men as well. And what I like is they're adjustable. That's where you pull and, and then you pull one to open, and you just pull like that to loosen. And then you could always go like that to do it yourself if you want. That's what I like. They're long strings. So my husband's going to try these because he has a little anxiety, And when he's stressed and full of anxiety, he can do this. And I'm going to get some essential calming oils for this bracelet. And you just take your bracelet off, of course, put it on a surface where you won't get the oils all over. And drip a little oil, kind of rub it with your fingers, get it all over. And it'd be nice because you could smell that all day because it's a diffuser bracelet, okay? I love the way this fits me because I have a small wrist. So it fits well, but because it expands and it's adjustable, this will also fit my husband. So it depends on who's stressed and who's suffering from anxiety. We can wear these and, share them. So you could either give them it as a gift to someone you know. I could really use these that does yoga, meditation, or that's stressed and full of anxiety. Or you can keep it for yourself, or you can keep one and give one to the other. They have many to choose from. So if you didn't want this particular set, you can get a 3-piece set or another 2-piece set. And go check this out on Amazon. The link is below. Please like this video if you'd like this review, and share this video with anyone that you know might be interested in these products. And Remember to comment if you have any questions about the products you're seeing, or if you just want to say hello. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.